So let us start by showing you guys my face. How are you?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Miriam. If you've been watching me, thank you very much for sticking with the family. If you are not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button, like and share my video. In today's video, we're going to talk about the curcum scrub. So just in case you don't know, the curcum is a scrub normally used traditionally. It contains antioxidant components, anti-inflammatory, and it gives the skin a glow and it softens the skin. So the first thing you need to do is get your curcum, put it in your mask bowl, and then you get your milk, just half a teaspoon. You add your milk to the curcum in a bowl. After that, you get your egg, and then you break the egg and try as much as you can to separate the white from the yolk. This is how I do it because it's so much easier for me. So after adding the egg white into the mixture, you mixed and sorry guys, you mix it and then you make a paste. So this paste is what you are going to apply to the face. You try as much as you can to make it very soft and smooth in order for it to be smooth on your face. Then you need the applying brush for you to apply. If you want to purchase the brush and the mask ball, it is available at EMSU_EM on Instagram. I'm going to try and link the handle below. The curcum is also available at 2,000 naira only. And after applying the curcum on my face, this is what I look like. I'm not smiling because of the egg, guys, because I don't want my face to be all cringy and whatnot. So this is me after washing it off. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please subscribe. Bye.